Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Brian. Hope you're doing well this morning. Today is Tuesday, the 24th of November, and just here to do a really quick update for potential Forex breakouts as the new market session begins for the US and Canadian trading sessions, Forex trading sessions. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it. First things first, we're always pulling up the news to see what is coming for the day to make sure that we don't have any high impact news that could require us to be out of the market for any reason. So as we can see here, we don't have anything major that's happening this morning. So we can pop over here and have a look at our currency strength index to see which currencies are actually moving, which ones are being bought, which ones are being heavily sold, and that will allow us to create a currency pairing that we can then begin looking for trade ideas from. All right. So with that said, looking this morning, we've got the euro over here as a strong currency. The euro has been pretty steady over the last few hours as a strong currency. So definitely would be looking at euro cross pairs. That brings into mind potentially the euro versus the USD or euro versus the CAD. Euro versus the USD has only moved, well, I shouldn't say only, it's already moved 61 pips for the day. Its average is anywhere from the 75 to 80 range here. So potential to get that additional 20 that we're looking for. Yeah, potential's definitely there to get an additional 20 pips, but maybe not as great as it would be looking at the euro CAD. Euro versus the CAD, we can see we've moved 55 pips for the day. Its average is into that mid to high 90 range on the on the longer term, 15 days, 30 days. So I would be looking here at the euro versus the CAD, and we can certainly look to place a buy order at the top of this to see if we get that continued movement with the euro versus the CAD as this new market session gets underway and continues on. So for me, for the breakout opportunity, it's going to look like a buy off the top of that, off of this euro versus the CAD here. Now, here's the thing, we're looking for this to break out at the top of this and then, continue on. If it doesn't move, if we just kind of hover around here and, in between this box area, or even if it breaks down and doesn't go anywhere over the next, hour, then shut it down and just move on. I mentioned to you previously, yesterday, that this time of year things start slowing down. We start to get range bound in a lot of our instruments, and this is a time of year that I typically don't trade. So do with that what you will. But for a breakout, potential breakout opportunity, I'm looking long on the euro versus the CAD, and we can see why. We've got decent range left in this based on where we are today, how we've moved today versus the averages. We've got the volume detail that supports the continued buying of the euro versus the CAD. So that's what we're looking at. All right, so there you have it. There's the breakout trade idea. I'll be back in just a bit for the futures market, and